how to add new avatar stickers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, scroll down and click on Galaxy Avatar and click on Avatar Sticker. If you want to add stickers, click on this plus icon and you will select background color from here. After change color, you will see change background from here. After change background, so add sticker from here. And click on save. You will see avatar sticker is add. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add new avatar stickers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.